So this is called the Stick Festival. Once a year, it's kind of a farm-inspired festival that happens in Lijiang once a year. You can buy plants, you can buy farming tools, you can buy just different things for the yard. So we'll see, I'll take more video if there's some particularly interesting things to look at. A lot of bamboo baskets and different bamboo products. Weavings. Also a lot of these wood carvings. So it's not only farm stuff, but it's anything made out of natural products or that are useful for a farm. These are stools, baskets to carry things in, brooms, sheep poo, soil from some of the mountains. We bought some of this, some more sheep poo. It's cool. This is something called Himalayan firethorn. You can't eat the berries. You can turn the leaves into tea. So birds love the berries. I don't think I'm going to buy it, but it's so interesting.